Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the trucks that turn heads and conquer trails. If you're a die-hard Hilux fan like me, buckle up because today we're unleashing the beast, the all-new 2026 Toyota Hilux pickup truck, revealed just last month. This 9th-gen icon isn't just a refresh, it's a full-on evolution that's sleeker, tougher, and greener than ever. We're talking angular aggression outside, luxury vibes inside, and powertrains that range from diesel dominance to zero-emission zaps. Stick around for the full scoop on design, features, price, and when you can get your hands on one, let's rev it up. Picture this. You're staring down the front of the 2026 Hilux, and bam, it's like Toyota cranked the dial from rugged workhorse to futuristic warrior. The exterior screams bold evolution with that massive hexagonal grille, wearing the giant Toyota wordmark up top, flanked by razor-sharp, slimmer LED headlights that slice through the night like laser beams. No more boxy vibes from the old gen. This one's got angular creases, a raised hood that adds serious menace, and wide fenders that hug those premium alloy wheels like they're ready to pounce on any pothole or peak. The EV version, it seals off the upper grille for aero efficiency, with a sneaky charging port tucked on the front fender, genius for off-grid adventures. Flip to the sides, and you've got redesigned side steps that make hopping an effortless. Plus, that new rear deck step over the load bed for easy cargo wrangling. The tailgate, it's a showstopper with massive debossed Toyota lettering and the Hilux name etched right into the door handle below the third brake light. Overall, it's sleeker, yet bigger, measuring up to 5.4 meters long in double cab form, with rugged skid plates underneath screaming, "Try me" to rocks and ruts. Toyota nailed the balance: urban, sleek meets trail terror. What do you think, team? Does this front end give you Tacoma envy or pure Hilux pride? Now, slide into the cabin, and Woats, like the Hilux, finally got that luxury upgrade we've been begging for, channeling the spirit of the Land Cruiser 250 with an upright, geometric cockpit that's equal parts functional and futuristic. Gone are the dated plastics. Hello, high-quality materials wrapping improved legroom for you and your crew. Plus, killer noise insulation that turns highway hum into whisper-quiet bliss. The dashboard, a modern masterpiece with dual 12.3-inch screens dominating the view. The driver's digital cluster beams vital stats in crisp detail, while the infotainment beast supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless scrolling. Below, the center console is pure Land Cruiser inspo, with physical knobs for climate and 4x4 modes, because who trusts touchscreens for muds? Ventilated front seats hug you like a pro. Dual-zone AC keeps everyone chill, and higher trims throw in a panoramic sunroof to frame those epic sunsets. The steering wheel's got that fresh, sculpted grip from Toyota's premium lineup. And don't sleep on the intuitive layout. Everything's within arm's reach, from drive mode selectors to a wireless charging pad. It's spacious for 5 in the double cab with rear USB ports for gadget fiends. Trust me, this interior doesn't just haul people, it treats them like VIPs. Ready to trade your old rig for this throne? But hold on. The real game changers are the new features that make the 2026 Hilux smarter, safer, and straight up unstoppable. Safety first, Toyota's expanded Safety Sense suite now packs blind spot monitoring, a driver monitoring camera to catch your yawns, safe exit assist to prevent door-ding disasters, and proactive driving assist that anticipates curves like a co-pilot, low-speed acceleration suppression, and an emergency driving stop system. Yeah, it'll save your bacon in a pinch. Tech heads, rejoice over their updates. Keep everything fresh without a dealership visit. And that 12-inch touchscreen ties it all together with a 360-degree camera for parking like a boss. Upgraded electric power steering EPs in most markets sharpens your turns, while the reinforced ladder frame chassis and tuned suspension eat up rough terrain. And the power, Toyota's going Elin. The star is the all-new EV with a 59 2-kilowatt-hour battery and dual motors, pumping 196 horsepower, 404 pounds, ft of torque, a 149-mile WLTP range, 1,576 lb payload, and 3,527 lb towing, perfect for silent, emission-free hauls. Craving classic grunt? The 2.8-liter turbodiesel mild hybrid delivers up to 250 horsepower, 2,205 lb payload, and a monstrous 7,716 lb tow rating, with 12 to 16 kmpl efficiency. There's even a 2.7-liter gas option in some spots. And whisper it, a hydrogen fuel cell variant hits Europe and Oz in 2028. 14 configs mean there's a Hilux for every hustle, from single cab, Work rigs, 2 loaded double cabs. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for. Price and launch deeds. Starting at around $30,000 for base trims and climbing to $55,000 for top EV or GR Sport Luxo barges, prices vary by market check. Your local dealer, it's premium without the sticker shock, especially with those hybrid perks slashing fuel bills. Deliveries kick off this December in Europe for the E, with mild hybrid diesels rolling out spring 2026 and early 2026 waves hitting Australia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and beyond. No US arrival. Sadly, Tacoma's got that turf locked. Phew, what a truck. The 2026 Hilux blends bulletproof reliability with fresh design flair, making it the ultimate do-it-all pickup for adventurers, farmers, or city slickers who dream big. Pros: insane versatility, EV innovation, and that unbreakable Toyota soul. Cons: if you're stateside, you'll need to import one. Wink. Who's grabbing one first? You? Drop a like if this fired you up. Smash subscribe for more truck takedowns, and comment your dream Hilux mod below. Hit the road safe. Legends, see you next time.